Hello there everyone, how's it going? We're starting off 2021 with an awesome new video, and as you can see we're trying out new mic placement to see how we can get the best sound quality.
Hey everyone.
Hello there, how's it going everyone? For the past few months we've been working on 3 pretty big projects, and we just wanted to give you some updates on how they've been going. But before that, just let us know down in the comments if the sound quality now is better or if the sound quality at the beginning of the video is better. That would be greatly appreciated. But let's jump right in. Alright, so first of all, at the beginning of January, we finished up the balloon project, and thanks so much for all the support for that. But anyways, we started up on one of the projects, which is 3D printed monocopter, because we recently got a new 3D printer. So this monocopter is going to fit a C11-0, which will pretty much push this wing, which will push air down, which will make it go up pretty much. So more details on this. This is like the first design. It's really janky and not that good. So we're going to redesign it and make a new one that's probably going to fly better than this one. So more details on that later. But anyways, let's get into the 2 exciting things. So first of all is a wireless launch pad, and we got a couple of parts that we want to show you. So for the launch pad, we're going to be using this Arduino Mega, and this is a thing that went up in our weather balloon thingamajigger. But pretty much we got a couple of parts, and we plan to make this wireless launch pad that's better than the one Andres made, because we want to go overkill. But anyways, let's get into some details and what we plan to do for this launch pad. So our wireless launch pad will have a couple of different features. So first of all, at the very core is going to be a Arduino Mega, and that is going to communicate to the launch pad, which will have an Arduino Nano inside of it, using these NRF wireless radio controller thingies. And then to make sure that this thing doesn't accidentally launch when we don't want it to, we're going to have a couple of different security features, including a keypad where you'll need to enter a code before you can actually launch the rocket, and these little toggle switches which will control which launch pads are active, because this new launch pad will have the capabilities to connect to other launch pads. That way you can launch multiple rockets at once. Along with that, we're going to have a continuity checker, of course, and we're also going to have this LED bar which will display the voltage, and a 7-segment display which will show the countdown, and a LCD display which will show the temperature and the voltage as well. So yeah, that's it with the launch pad. Let's get on to other updates. Alright, so now that we showed you our launch pad, the final thing that we've been working on for like the past 1.5 months is this rocket right here. So about 1 year ago we made something similar to this. It was a bit smaller, but as you can see in this video right here, it completely went to the side and it got wrecked. So we're going to be trying again this year, because last year what happened was the ignition system didn't work. So we're trying again this year with this rocket right here. And it's called the Proton 2, I guess, because it's a second version of the rocket we made last year. But pretty much we're not quite done. As you can see, it's being held together with rubber bands. The fins are not done yet. We're figuring out a new fin system, and it's going to hold a D12-0 on either side and an E12-6 in the middle. But we're not quite done. We're probably going to finish it around this week or next week or so. Don't quite know yet. But the first test we're going to be doing is a ground test, where this thing's going to be strapped to the ground. That way we can actually test the ignition system without actually putting the rocket in risk of crashing. So since that's going to be in our backyard, we're actually planning on live streaming the event. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That way you guys can watch the ground test of this thing live. So anyways, that's it for updates. Not much going on because we're just working on these 3 big projects. But we should see more action in the next coming weeks. So yeah. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. I know there wasn't much going on in this video, but it's just a quick update. Stay tuned for other stuff like the ground tests and whatnot. But anyways, leave a like below. Comment what audio quality you liked more. But there's a ton of links down in the description if you guys want to check that out. But other than that, have a great day.